Good morning. This is CA Sharup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck once again with you this morning. Today is 9th of August. So during the last week, there are a lot of volatility, and Nifty did not really do much, and everybody is expecting Nifty to come down, but it is holding a stable level. So as a stock trader, we only deal with levels. We are not concerned whether it is really bullish or bearish. If something goes up above our level, it is bullish. Something goes down below our level, it is bearish. So therefore, because everything is changing, so you also need to adjust yourself with the concept and of course the recent trends. Now, for example, HDFC Bank is now have been talked about, and I would also explain how we traded HDFC Bank and our students traded HDFC Bank last week and why they have traded. See, HDFC Bank currently at this level is a very strong support. You see the double line. So HDFC Bank is a strong buy above this level and strong sell below this level. So once you draw this line, you exactly know that it has actually corrected. HDFC Bank has actually corrected quite a lot. So there is every possibility that if Nifty and Bank Nifty supports, then it will go up like a rocket. And exactly we traded this HDFC Bank. I will show you how we have traded. And on an overall basis, if you look at HDFC Bank has actually given a good rally. So at this particular level, this stock, it is not a big surprise that this stock would be reacting. And if you know how to measure bull trap and bear trap, then you would be the king to really take an option trade here at a cheap price when everybody knew that it will go up because the trend is increasing, whereas actually it has come down. And you know that this is the potential level. Our students know that from here it will come down. So I do not know exactly from this particular level it will come down or this particular, but I have a range of bull trap and bear trap where I will exit my position and I will not do trade. And if the stock goes above this and sustain, then I will again change my level. So therefore I will keep booking profit at every level, and that's the fundamental mantra in Stock Show. So let's look at HDFC Bank. It has actually taking a dip, and now it is in a consolidation mode and taking a beautiful support here. So if tomorrow, that is on Monday, if the trend reverses, that it crosses below this, then we will accordingly trade short, and if it recovers, we will accordingly trade on the bull side. Now using our setup, how things are happening, I will show you. Now this is our usual setup. If you see, this is our Stock Show setup, and this is you also get this free along with this setup. So you get two things at a time: Stock Show Ride and this thing, your Stock Show main setup, if you are a student. Now HDFC Bank, for example, I will explain you these two things. Okay, so on 6th, this is a 15-minute chart. Now on 6th, let us start 6th and 7th. In this particular level, the stock, we have a pink candle, and we have also a swing buy signal, and we have also U4 code, U4. So once we have this is the potential reversal zone, and if you know that this could be a trap area, then it's a bingo. Now how will you measure trap and all those, we will explain it here. Now at this particular level, this is at 3 o'clock of 5th of August. So you have got enough chance to get into this particular trade on 5th of August. HDFC Bank is 500 lot, and if you know the reversal zone, that this is the potential reversal zone, then you could have taken an entry itself here above this candle. So once you have taken this entry at 1027, the target was around here. Now how will you exit and how will you enter, these are all explained to our students, and what is the methodology that you would adopt, and how you are going to measure, all those things would be explained in advance. Now in this particular case, how will you know that this particular thing, your your range, why the stock would be reversing from here? It is very easy for us to really understand. I will explain it later. Now if you have entered, so the signal, actually system has given a good signal here, and potentially it is going up from here. Then at this particular level, how will you know that this will be the potential entry? Now I should know here, because this is a sideways market, there is no such movement, not a big movement. And if I draw a line in advance, because this is the time I know that I am predicting that from where it should go, then it is a very simple tool that I use, which will give you approximately reversal time, reversal range. So at this particular level on 6th of August at 11:45, I know what will be my potential up move. And on the potential up move, you see it is actually giving you two levels. So for safe traders who has actually entered here at 1039, let's say, or 1037 was the entry actually, at 10339, I exactly know my first profit booking area is 9 rupees, that is 1048, and the next booking area is this. So therefore if you are actually working on 15 minutes candle, then you book profit here. And for a risky trader, if you bought two lots, one lot you could have bought here, and then one lot you could have bought around this level. And if you want to have a safe bet, you lose this amount of money, you exit in this particular area, and it is actually working. So now the stock has reversed. So then it has started reversing again. Our system has given you F6 and F6 signals. So two back-to-back signal with a black candle here is a bingo. So therefore you cannot miss this trade. Once you have taken this trade, then what is going to be my potential reversal zone? What is going to be my potential reversal zone is very simple. If I take a trade here, I will exit my trade here, I will exit my trade here. So I got two reversal zone. So this is how actually you use our system to really exact measurement is possible. That it is very reliable area. Now the stock has actually reversed from this particular level. Now from this particular level, how much you can really expect? See, supposing here at you have got a U4 signal, and then you have waited for confirmation, and then the market went sideways. So a lot of things are happening. Our stock show entry rules is you should have an X candle with a diamond setup. So therefore I would have either avoided, and if you have experienced with stock show setup, then you could have entered here itself. And because at this level you exactly know that how much would be my how much the stock can go. At this entry level, you know that how much the stock can go. So therefore the stock can go up to this level 1050 to 1043. So if I am the stock show student, I would, if I enter it here, that is at this level, I should be cautious that 38 to 44 6 rupees, and of course 6 rupees into 550 rupees is about 3,200 rupees. And then the second level is this. So safe trader you can buy, and you see how it is reacting at this level. So all these are possible if you are using stock short setup, and this is very easy money, and it comes very fast. Now if you look, I will also show you how to use our screener. That the signals are really perfect signals that helps a intraday trader and the positional trader to really handle their trade bang on. For example, now I will show you, this is our again stock show setup, and this is our RSI scanner. This is our stock show scanner actually. So therefore There it has got lot of methodology here in it, logic built in. So therefore, in the running market, you get a beautiful skinner, and this is bingo. Basically, at this particular level, you see, try to understand the trade what I am saying. Now I have applied my screener here, and I am not using now Stochastic ride, because Stochastic ride gives you the bullish zone and bearish zone. Now in this particular screener, this is a 15-minute screener. So at this 15 minutes, at 3:15 before the market close, it has given an instruction to buy. See, for example, let's go back and see at this particular level. Does, you know, at this particular level, if you are using Stochastic setup, you have a X and diamond candle, and you exactly know that here at 11:45 how much it can travel. It can travel up to 1355 and 1362. So therefore, when you know that after this candle it is changing a green candle, you get a X and diamond, you definitely enter into this, because you know high of this candle, if it breaks, again there is a rule. So our students know how to deal with this. Even if for a safety reason, if you enter at 1345, and then you see how it has taken you to that level, and normally these levels are so good. 1345 if you enter, and then if you exit at 1355, 10 rupees into 5500, don't you think it is good enough? With a very safe bet, with knowing that where it is bull trap and bear trap. Similarly, you can also, you know, here the around 1348 to 1350, the stock will be reversing. So therefore, if I enter here at this level, this is the open low candle, and at this level, you know, if you are experienced student, then you will definitely, after this black candle, if you get a green candle, lot of buy volume is happening, you could have taken your entry at this level, and then 1336 to already 1345, when Kotak Bank has given you the signal, you could have bought it. But if you know what is bull trap, bear trap, then I would not buy it here, because there it is a potential reversal zone. Already it has traveled a lot. You cannot catch every swing. So from 1348, if you know that, you know, now the stock is 1345, and I am saying the bull trap is about 1348 to 1350. If you want to take risk, you take risk. So it gives you a liberty to really book the profit at ease. Whenever you are traveling, you are relaxing with your family in hotel, you need only a mobile smartphone to enter. That's all. This is the entire thing. That's from my side, and I will now explain the our packages. As I said, that once you buy our basic package, it covers mindset training. I will also give you 8 to 10 candle pattern, which is also built in here, the pink candle, green, black candle, which are very, very important candles. And of course you get the setup with Stochastic ride free, Stochastic ride and golden road free. So you get the Stochastic setup, and you also understand the patterns, and the trading is very simple. The cost would be 25,000 an online mode, and after this you will start increasing your income regularly based on your risk appetite. Then if you have a very low capital, you can also choose our option courses, where we don't teach about increased volatility, implied volatility, Greek alpha, gamma, all those things, jargons we don't teach. We teach simple things where you can make money, and these strategies applied only on Wednesday and Thursday, and it also applies to other stocks also. So this is an universal thing that we teach. With a small money, you can do option trading with very, very limited risk, and the cost is 50,000. And on the Fibonacci side, this is our master course, and this, if you know, along with the Bollinger Band, where you have to deal with volatility, this is the master course, and if you know this, you will be mastering price action. You don't need anything in your life, and these setups do not change. It's just like ABCD. Once you learn it for life. We have another course where you have a 7 days course that costs you 25,000, where you need a little bit of prior knowledge, and then you understand price actions, candlesticks, volume pattern, Bollinger Band, and gap trading. Because gap is something that you come across every day. Bull trap and bear trap you come across every day, and I think these are the things you should learn. Otherwise it is very difficult to really strike 100% every time. You take less trade, but be sure that you make 100%. Now, as we said, identifying bull trap, bear trap in advance is a very very critical thing, and if this is a must, and you will not get it in any book. And I will also teach you that that at this particular level, whether it is a crash, is this a crash or is this a correction? So at this level it's a crash. How will you know in advance that at this particular level a crash is going to come? So how will I know the crash will start from here at this level? These are the things that we teach. So if you know that there is a crash, you will buy a put option here and forget it at a long range, and then you can get a sweep movement, and then you can run your money can multiple time go up, even it can run into lakhs. So you should know at this particular level whether it is a crash or correction. That's all. And these are the things we teach here, because you are not giving any examination to anybody. You are only dealing with small money or big money. So whether it is any bank, anything, any stock, this stock setup will apply. So, and the Skinner part of it, if you are a student of stock show, you get at 50% discount of 10,000, and if you want to buy on a standalone basis, then the Skinner would be 20,000. And this Skinner is actually derived upon lot of stringent checks, stringent logic, and that is where this is becoming very very profitable. There are also a couple of Skinners like magic area, divergence, and all those things. Divergence, because divergence is something subject you should learn, then only you will be able to trade. And we also have another Skinner of RSI, where RSI is basically the momentum. So because unless there is momentum, you will not make money, and whether the momentum is in your favor or in your against, you can easily identify in the live market, and accordingly you can trade with this at our setup. This becomes a king, and in the probability of success is very very high. So friends, thank you very much. With this I am taking your leave. If you are interested, you can call me and use this setup. You can recover your cost very fast, and the advantage is that you can trade it for life. Thank you very much. This is CA Swarup Ghosh signing off. Bye bye.